I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying safety. Quick squeeze the brakes to confirm engagement and check tire PSI and brake pad alignment. Once done, get on with a firm, upright posture and set saddle height so your leg is nearly straight at the pedal bottom. This gives control. Keep your fingers lightly resting on the brake levers and eyes looking ahead. That allows immediate response. Begin rolling at a steady, controllable speed to prepare for deliberate stopping. You now initiate the stop by applying both brakes together. The front provides most stopping power, while the rear stabilizes. Begin with light pressure and increase progressively over 1 to 2 seconds so the wheels decelerate without skidding. As you do this, shift your weight slightly rearward and bend your elbows to act as suspension and prevent pitching forward. If you need a quicker stop, increase modulation rather than slamming. Controlled force keeps traction and balance. You finish by bringing the bike to a controlled roll or full stop and then placing a foot down. If a wheel locks and skid starts, immediately ease off that brake and reapply with smoother pressure. That recovers traction fast. Make sure to practice threshold braking so you find the limit before locking. If braking feels spongy or uneven after a hard stop, check pad wear, rotor alignment, cable tension, or hydraulic fluid. Address those before riding again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.